can talk today. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have part 2 of my Beauty Big Bang stamping plates review video for you. So because I didn't have time to film for my Sunday post, I posted actually a poll on YouTube and I asked you guys if you would like to see a review on the Beauty Big Bang stamping plates or another brand, and 100% everybody voted for the Beauty Big Bang plate, so that's what we're gonna do today. I would like to say a big thank you to Beauty Big Bang for sending these to me, and I also have kind of like a PR haul where you can see some more close-ups to the plate if you are interested, and I already posted part 1, so this is the second set of 6 stamping polishes that I received from Beauty Big Bang. You can also use my discount code for 10% off at their website. This is not an affiliated link or code, so please just feel free to click on the link that I leave for you in the description box in case if you are interested in getting these stamping plates. I never had any issues with their stamping plates, so I have high hopes for these as well. I'm rambling too much, so I will jump into the review and swatches. Of course, if you are new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future review videos, then please hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned and I will come back with my final thought on this second set of stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. Alright guys, what are your thoughts? I am absolutely blown away with this set. I think I like this second set even more than the first one. As I said, I will leave the link for you in the description box if you would like to see it. But all of these plates are absolutely gorgeous. I only used one stamping polish at this time from Coyle. I do not have any stamping polishes besides the purple from Beauty Big Bang, and for some reason my camera didn't like that one last time, so I just decided to stick with the black one. I love it. I know I said it with the first set that I was in love with them, but these are just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, every single design, every single image is absolutely stunning. In cases where you saw again some bald spot, that's user error, only because I am scraping off the polish from larger areas. The stamping polish doesn't distribute evenly all the time, but if you would have just aimed for a smaller image or design, you would have an absolutely crisp design even in those cases where there were some bald spots. So I would highly recommend you again this set. They are relatively inexpensive, and with my discount code you can get additional 10% off. So go for it guys. If you are thinking about purchasing stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang, or if you're just starting, these are absolutely gorgeous and they work without any problems. Let me know in the comment section what did you think, which plate was your favorite from this set, and if you are maybe tempted to try their stamping plates, or if you tried anything from Beauty Big Bang in the past. Thank you so much again Beauty Big Bang for sending these to me. I absolutely love them, and I'm sure you will see some manicures where I will be using them in the near future, so also stay tuned and follow me on my Instagram account. That's it from me. So guys, I'm really excited that I received these plates and that I was able to share them with you, because I do believe if you are a nail art lover, you definitely need these plates and you will not be disappointed. So that's it from me for today. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.